Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Hi, my name is Cherise, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I did this little yellow, I don't know what to call this look, but I think it came out fire AF. I think I'm going to do like a spring series, and this will be like a part of it, so I think that's what I'm gonna call it, like spring series. So before we get into this video, guys, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 400. Subscribe to the channel so we can grow, and click that bell so you can see every time I post a video, and give this video a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm gonna go in with my Juvias Place. This is the Zulu palette, and I'm using this yellow shade. And I'm using patting motions because I want to get this pigment to show up really good, because it is like a light yellow. We're doing patting motions first, and then we're gonna blend it out just so we don't lose the pigmentation. So pat, and then we blend. And I'm actually gonna go in with my Boxy Charm eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this shade. And now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. So for under the eyes, we're gonna go in with this bright blue shade right here. We're being different, we're being extra, we are trying new things. So I'm gonna use this blue shade. Now that we have the under eyes done, I'm gonna go in with some light blue eyeliner also, and I'm gonna line my waterline. And I'm just using the regular INV lashes that I normally use. The thing about eyeshadow is, like, you could be going through the process and it looks like complete shit. Until you put everything together, then the whole look is just a whole vibe. Like, that happens to me so many times that, like, as I'm doing my makeup, I'm like, oh man, this is gonna look so freaking horrible. And then when I'm done, I put my lashes on, I do my highlight, I do everything, my full face is done. I'll be looking so freaking beat. Like, I'll be looking so cute. So when they say trust the process, trust the process. And since your eyes are very light, you want to make sure that your lash is completely, well, almost dried and tacky before you put them on, so you don't mess it up, because it will be a bitch to clean up. Glow kit, go in my glow kit, and I'm using the shade Butterscotch in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit. Now I'm gonna go back and apply my inner corner wing since I messed that up. It up. I'm just taking like some gloss, clear gloss. That on my lip. And that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video because I really enjoyed making it. I feel like this look came out so cute, and I say this all the time, but that's really how I've been feeling. Like, I feel like this came out really, really cute. I never tried a yellow before, and I can't wink, but yeah. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and turn that bell on so you can see every time I post a video. And also follow me on my Instagram at Miss Reese Baby, and my Twitter at Miss Reese Baby also, so you know we can stay connected. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.